Hi, this tutorial will kind of walk you through a few of the Teams features that might make it easier for students to navigate back and forth through our platform. First of all, if your students' Teams looks very big and enlarged like this in their screen, there's usually a simple fix to this. That means that the screen's been enlarged too big. So if you click on the profile picture at the top, there right here is a zoom button. We want to just bring this back down to 100%. That should take it back to a manageable level so you can actually see everything again. Also, sometimes teams may be set up like this with little tiles that makes it easier for you to see, or there's a um, gear at the top that lets you switch views. If you can see right here, the gear, switch views. And then some kids have the list view, which means their teams is over here on the side instead of the squares. They're both fine. They both will show the exact same thing. It just depends on which is easier. If you like a list, then you might want to stay here. Or if you want to go back to the other one, switch view, back to what's called the grid. It'll take it back to the little tiles. So that's another feature just to help families navigate. Finally, this is where your child's team's classes will be. Over on the left are their various activities, their chat where they can send chats to individual teachers as needed. There are their teams, which takes them back to all the classes again. Assignments, which means any teacher that your child has that's posted an assignment in Teams, they will all be listed here for every single class of what needs to be done. This is also under their Teams section. So if they go to a specific class and go to assignments at the top there, they'll see the assignments for just that one class that's here, or this assignments tab will show them all their features, all their assignments in all of their classes. Calendar is usually where most of our students try to join our classes. This is where you can find the actual activities. And as you can see, this calendar is pretty jumbled up with a lot of canceled assignments. I'm going to make a separate video for that one just to talk about how to delete assignments. So if you need that, check out another video for that one. Lastly, sometimes kids come over here and they say that they don't see the teams or their calendar. That might just depend on the size of their screen and how much they can show. But if you click on the three dots down at the bottom, you can always find other things. So if they're missing teams or calendar, whatever they're looking for, if they type it here, it should pop up with whatever you're missing. Like I'm not really missing anything right now, but if they're missing something that they normally would see over there, if they type it, it should still pop up right there and they can click on it. So hopefully that gives you a little bit of information about how the basic navigating of Teams. Thank you.